it's time to learn some future forms. In this chapter, we want to learn how to use be going to and present continuous to talk about future arrangements. Be going to. We use be going to plus base form to talk about future plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to give a talk at a conference. Or, he's going to meet me at the airport. We also use be going to plus base form to make a prediction when we know or can see that something is going to happen. For example, it's winter, so it's going to be cold. Look at that car, it's going to crash. Now let's check the structure of be going to. As you know, be is I'm, his, she's, or other examples. Therefore, in the positive form, I'm going to. You, we, they are going to. He, she, it is going to give a talk. Be careful. Give is in a base form. Negative examples. I'm not going to give a talk. Or, he isn't going to give a talk. And question. Are you going to give a talk? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he going to give a talk? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. It's practice time. Complete with be going to. Present continuous. We often use the present continuous with a future meaning, especially for future arrangements. It means for plans we have made at a fixed time or place in the future. Don't use the simple present for this. For example, I see an old friend tonight is completely wrong. Positive examples. I'm seeing an old friend tonight. She's arriving at lunchtime. In negative form, she isn't leaving until Friday. They aren't coming to the party tomorrow. Question. What are you doing this evening? Is he meeting us at the restaurant? The restaurant is the place we have arranged to meet. If you enjoyed this package, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me keep creating more content for you. Now let's practice. Read the sentences. Write N for now or F for future. Defining relative clauses with who, that, and where. We use defining relative clauses to explain what a person, thing, or place is or does. We use who for a person. For example, that's the woman who won the lottery last year. A chef is a person who cooks food in a restaurant. Use that for a thing. For example, a clock is something that tells the time. Is that the book that won an important prize? And we use where for a place. For example, a post office is a place where you can buy stamps. That's the restaurant where I had dinner last week. Remember, we can also use that to talk about a place. For example, a post office is a place where or that sells stamps. You can also use that instead of who. For example, she's the girl who or that works with my brother. You can use which instead of that to talk about things. It's a thing which or that connects to computers. Now let's practice. Complete the definitions with who, that, or where. Thank you for studying with me through this course. I hope these lessons have been helpful for you. Now, if you'd like to continue learning with Part B and Part C of the course, you can get access to the full packages directly from me. Just send me a message. I'll give you all the details on how to continue.